In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows. Socialize your workflow, 5 minutes. Let's walk through how to introduce a new workflow so people actually adopt it. Start by logging into Asana and opening the project where your workflow lives. Make sure the sections, tasks, and automations are up to date so what you're sharing reflects reality. Next, locate the workflow you want to share within your projects. Confirm the stages are clear and that any dependencies or rules are visible. A quick visual check now prevents confusion later. Before rolling it out broadly, pilot the workflow and gather feedback. The goal is to validate that it works as intended in day-to-day use. Start small with a representative group of users who mirror your wider audience, people from different roles or locations, if applicable. Give them a brief overview of what to try and by when, then observe how they move through the steps. Invite them by email so everything is documented. Keep your message concise. What's changing, why it matters, what to do next, and where to find the workflow. Include any relevant links and a clear call to action with a simple deadline. As the pilot runs, collect input to find gaps, identify wrinkles, and capture real-world feedback before a full launch. Encourage specific examples tied to actual tasks. To make this easy, use forms. Ask focused questions like where they got stuck, which instructions were unclear, and what would save them time. With feedback in hand, iterate, tighten instructions, rename stages for clarity, adjust rules, or reassign owners. Small refinements now compound into big wins later. When you're ready to socialize the workflow more broadly, clearly explain the problem the old process caused and how the new approach solves it. People adopt change faster when they understand the pain it removes. Be explicit about who does what at each step so ownership and accountability are unmistakable. Share timelines, inputs, and outputs for each role. Call out the benefits for individuals and the team. Fewer handoffs, clearer priorities, faster approvals, or better reporting. So value is obvious. Provide training with hands-on sessions, simple SOPs, and visual flowcharts. Short tool-specific guides help people succeed without guesswork. Set expectations by aligning on shared goals and performance criteria. Define what success looks like and how you'll measure it. Finally, offer ongoing support. Point people to a channel or owner for questions and keep refining as you learn. With this approach, your workflow won't just exist, it will be adopted, trusted, and effective.